Oh, recording na pala, sorry. Hello guys, Paul here. I'll be discussing my presentation about botany or the journal prompt reporting. So, the title of my presentation is Danger Endangered. So, what are those? Literally, what are those? Nepenthes, I'll just call it Nepenthes, sorry for the wrong pronunciation, is a genus of carnivorous plants called tropical pitcher plants. It's most commonly known as pitcher plants. Some call it the monkey cups. This genus includes about 181 known species. The numbers have doubled in the last 20 years. So this is 2022 nasabi. So more or less to dahil it might be that it increased over these past few years. And they are mainly found across Southeast Asia with 59 of these in the Philippines. So, grabe na. 59 of these in the Philippines and counting to guys. Kasi 2020, itong paper na to nahanap. So, first, let's identify the parts of a Nepenthes plant because it has some uniqueness to it, you know? Hindi lang siya yung parang, oh, plant. The stem, ganun, herb, ganun lang siya tumubo, vines ba siya? Let's go to the next page and see. So here, as you can see, it's just like a normal plant when it's growing. The uniqueness of this plant is the pitcher, and as you can see, it has this thing called the lid or the flap, which closes the mouth, or it's most commonly known the ribs because it's just like a rib na parang siyang pouch na nakaganon. And here's the slippery wall para matrap and some digestive gland area. Later, I'll explain. Ito, makikita nyo, meron siyang trapped insect. So, first, let's see what are the latest, what are the new species. Wait. Okay. What are the new species of this Nepenthes plant or the pitcher plant? So let's just move this for a second. So this is the 2019 Nepenthes cabanei. This was found in 2019 in the Mindanao, central Mindanao, Philippines, on the Mount Pantaron range. That's the image. Sorry. Next, the Nepenthes peltata. This is one of the oldest or like 2000s discovered Nepenthes plant. It is found in Mount Hamiguitan, Mindanao also in 2008. Meron din tayong mga other plants na Nepenthes sa other parts ng Philippines. Meron ding Palawanensis or something like that. Sorry for the bad presentation. Okay, here's the kicker. The most recent species of the pitcher plant was found in the eastern Mindanao. Nepenthes campalili is its name. It is attributed to the mountain it was found, which is called Mount Campalili in Davao de Oro. This was found April 2024. It's quite big, as you can see. It's really huge. Like, parang sarap niyang kainin. Meron pa nga siya dito like some sort of root system or seeds. Parang saging. So, here's the question. Why did I pick this plant? Like, marami pa namang other discovered species. Bakit yan? Well, let's see the objectives of what are the potential things that I saw in this plant. So, first, function and purpose. Next slide. So, the function is sa ecosystem natin, it traps and digests arthropods or insects. Sometimes pests, of course. Then the process and digest the nitrogen and phosphorus of their prey. So, hina-harvest nila yun para tumaba sila and yun nasa paligid nila. But here's the question or frequently asked question. How could they trap insects? Like, sino ba namang uto-uto, di ba, na pupunta sa isang trap na halatang-halata, na laki-laki, di ba? Well, meron kasi silang release na aroma, sugary aroma, in fact, dun sa mouth nila para merong ma-attract na mga prey, especially insects. Tapos nun, papasok sila doon, matatrap, di makakawala, and they will slowly die. And here's the thing, lagi itong misconception sa mga pitcher plant. Hindi po acid yung nandun sa loob nila. It's a biological digestive enzyme. So basically, it just eats protein or breaks down proteins na matatrap nung plant na yon. And hindi siya acid. Kung acid kasi siya, like, let's think about it. Kung acid yun, siguro natunaw niya na yung plant, or maybe, I don't know, evolution, baka meat na yun, hindi na siya plant. Next is the purpose. What is the purpose of this plant? Kasi like, yeah, may function siya sa ecosystem, pero ano ba yung purpose niya? Well, in some cases, hindi pa ito masyadong developed or hindi pa siya evident. May mga medicinal properties daw itong plant na to, especially the leaf and the roots. So, hindi pa siya evident as I found. It was non-evident claims that the pitcher plants have the ability to cure or somewhat prevent these types of disease like digestive disorders, diabetes, and other conditions. So, ang nagustuhan ko dito is like, pwede tayong mag-fund or pwede tayong maghanap ng paraan or maybe herbal, I don't know the word, but herbalist, yeah? Basta may mag-research about these plants na malay nyo, pwede natin siyang gamitin as a substitute or better yet, gamot sa kung ano-ano man. Next slide, endangered. To cut the long presentation short, it is critically endangered because of its slow number. And pwede pa tong lumala dahil sa climate change, specifically global warming, dahil sa mga ginagawa ng mga tao. What do I mean by that? Na pwede pa silang mamatay. Kung iisipin kasi natin, lahat tayo meron tayong kanya-kanyang, ang mga species natin kanya-kanyang mga piniling evolutionary traits. And let's just say na yung pitcher plant, sobrang vulnerable niya sa rapid changing ng isang environment dahil nga ininvest niya lahat ng evolution traits niya sa pagiging pitcher plant, sa ganong klaseng pagiging carnivorous, no? Ang maganda pa kasi sa, hindi ba maganda, more on may mutualism din kasi si pitcher plant. And nangyayari to pagka nagkakaroon siya ng error ng konti dahil hindi niya natatakip tong lead niya. Minsan kasi ang nangyayari, pag hindi niya natatakip to, may iba na dong nakakain, di ba? Ang mangyayari is hihina yung enzyme dahil may binibreakdown na sila. So yung ibang insects na pwede sila mag-lay ng egg, or pwede rin yung pagka-umulan. Pag daw umulan, magiging tubig yun. So magiging mahinang-mahina yung enzymes. Pwedeng mangitlog yung ibang insects. So, somewhat mutualism siya sa around the environment niya, no? And kahit hindi tayo mga tao directly interact sa plant na to, pero yung nasa paligid niya na i-interact natin, pwede rin silang lalong kumonte dahil nga, one, pwedeng kumonte yung food sources nila or like nutrients ng lupa and many more reasons. Next, our last slide, prevention and solution. So yung proposed solution was natural hybrid, or let's to put it in simpler terms, just let it be and then it will just splice with other plants na katulad na species niya or like similar genus. What does that mean? So sabihin na natin si plant na pangalan na ito, si Buchanata, si Campalili, bigla sila nag-meet for no reason. Natural hybrid yon. Wala tayong human intervention. Pero, pwede rin naman maging genetically modified plants sila dahil nga naman, kung gusto pa natin silang mag-survive, nasa sa atin din na mag-intervene or makipag-interact sa kanila. And prevention of it becoming extinct is strict monitoring and if possible, planting bountiful amounts of it. Massing or like mass plantations ng plant na to. And ito yung solution ko sana, my solution, is just domesticate the plant sa bahay. Kasi like, kinakain naman din nila yung mga insekto, why not just put them at homes para magkaroon sila lalo ng function and purpose sa bahay, diba? Like, okay lang naman, this like, diba? And it releases sweet aroma. Problema lang is paano mo i-control yung aroma niya, diba? Kasi nga, a-attract mo lahat eh. Diba? Ang pinaka parang ano lang dito, caution, is like yung mga alaga niyong pusa, aso, or like maybe hamster, wag niyo silang hayaan ma-reach nila itong plant na to dahil pwede silang pwede silang kainin ng plant. More on, pwede rin sila matunaw dyan. Because it's powerful enough, yung enzyme nila is powerful enough to eat small lizards, frogs, and sometimes small rats. And dahil may chain, food chain, syempre kung may small frog o kaya may small rat, darating yung pusa mo dito. Tapos, di ba yung ganun? So like, be safe kung pwede, sana magkaroon ng pitcher plant as a domesticated plant at home. But I doubt mangyayari dahil, di ba? May mga rules din naman and other stuff. And that's it for my presentation. Hope you enjoyed. That's it. Thank you. Let me check kung may nakalimutan pa ba. Nope. Thank you so much for watching.